everyone, it is Nancy Ann. This is my husband Sam, and he is joining me for my very last, I think, Vitacost unboxing as well as Oats Overnight. Let's get into it. This is going to be, I believe, my last of the Vitacost and Oats Overnight. And neither one of these companies have acknowledged that I'm doing this. They probably don't know it. And I've got other companies that are starting to approach me about doing unboxings and product reviews for them. And I think that this material with these is what they call evergreen. It will always be good. So anyway, I thought we'd make it a little more fun by bringing in my partner in crime and the man who is normally behind the scenes, my husband Sam. Sam was in, I think the only video you've been in is Funky Chunky, correct?
Very true.
Yes. He's been spoken about a lot in the videos, but he's made the least amount of appearances. With Ruger being in second place, he's here. He's just not out. Okay, so which should we start with, Vitacost or Oats? Let's start with Oats Overnight because it's smaller. Okay. So normally I make separate videos, but I thought we'd get these. By the way, this could get a little bit long. Check the total time. You may want to get yourself your beverage of choice and settle in a little bit. Oats Overnight is a monthly subscription. You can also order a one-time box. There is 8 packs of oats that come, instant oats-ish. No, they're overnight. They're not instant. That come in the package when you just order a regular one. But when you do the monthly subscription, you get the recipe in development, so that's a 9th one. The monthly fee is $32, but if you are getting the monthly like I am, you get 10% off of that. So by my my math correct, it's going to be $28.20.
I was supposed to be paying attention.
Yes.
Her math is always perfect.
Okay. He's a good husband. Okay. Which I think you have 9 in because the regular 8 plus the recipe and development, and I think that brings you to $3.20. Oh, that's something I wanted to talk to you about. So I get 9 breakfasts with this for $28.80. That includes shipping. It averages out to $3.20 because there's been some discussion down in the comments about if that's too expensive or not.
With all the money we're making on YouTube, no big deal. The sky's the limit.
but for a regular everyday breakfast at home, how do you feel about the expense of $3.20 a breakfast? How much are you spending for your breakfast every morning?
38 cents.
No, you're not.
Actually, probably $3 or $4.
Yes. So you don't think this is outrageous?
No. It's great.
Plus it's easy.
Awesome.
You're right.
I'd pay $5.
Okay, Sam, stop that. If they're watching this, they may raise the price. He would not really. He's being silly. Most of the time, Sam is being silly. Okay, so with this product, you mix the what's in an envelope with 8 ounces of milk of your choice, plant-based, cow-based, whatever, and then you shake it up in a shaker bottle that they send you with your first order, and you can request more shaker bottles if you want to as you go along. They're free, and then you put it in the fridge, and in the morning you can drink your cold oatmeal.
Okay, so you're saying it's a bovine-centric meal? Well,
kind of. It can be soy-centric or almond milk-centric or oat milk-centric or whatever kind of milk you want.
Okay.
Yeah, so cold oats in the morning. Drinking my oats is not my preference. I prefer to mix it with half as much, so that'd be 4 ounces of cold. Sometimes I do it the night before, sometimes I just do it as soon as I wake up and it's ready in an hour or so. Okay, are you bored?
No.
He wants to get
No, I am not bored yet.
So here we go. These are my flavors that I chose. Watch out, it is the dull bread knife. Okay, so in the box, and it has cute little things written.
I love being rushed in the morning, said no one ever.
See, you could read that without your glasses. Yeah.
Yeah.
So there's cute little things written on the outside. And then there's a little pamphlet with the subscriber benefits. They talk about how you get your subscriber exclusive recipe and development. And soon after I get the box, they usually send me an email and say, let us know about the recipe and development. Okay, so here's the recipe and development on top. Whatever it is 280 calories. And usually there's about 20 grams of protein in each one of these. So they're good if you are the workout type, Great pre or post meal food. Yeah, and then the fats I can't see. Where'd my glasses go? Ah, there they are. I'm gonna check fats for you guys real quick. Yeah, they're generally around, there we go, 6 grams of fat. There is no trans fat in this at all. Saturated is 2 grams. And then the carbohydrates are at 36 grams. People ask about added sugar. This particular one has 3 grams of added sugars. I absolutely love the ingredients. Won't go into it this time because I've done it in the past. And the flavor is
Boston cream.
Boston cream. I have no idea how that's going to taste. I'm trying to remember if I've ever had Boston cream pie. Have you ever had Boston
Yes,
cream
I
pie?
have.
Where'd you have it?
In Boston.
Did you really?
No. I just, who knows?
Who knows? You've been all over the world. Did you have
Wasn't there a restaurant with Boston in it?
Boston Bakery? Does that sound familiar?
No, I don't.
Did you eat it there?
Yes.
Oh, no, you don't know. You're full of it. Okay, so there's Boston cream pie. Oh, brother, it's falling down. And then caramel cold brew. This one is caffeinated, so that's kind of nice before a workout. I think it is. Yes, 65 milligrams of caffeine. I got one, I think, of cinnamon, green apple cinnamon. I don't usually like fruity oats, but I thought I'd try this because the cinnamon, a little something different.
Yep.
Tiramisu. Is this one caffeinated? No, but I thought I would try. Tiramisu. Have you had tiramisu?
Never heard of it.
It's Italian.
Nope.
Is it Italian? I think it's Italian.
I don't know.
Is it Italian?
Never heard of it.
Tell us if it's Italian. And then we have got dark chocolate cherry. I love this one. But I don't like it cold because you're swallowing chunks of cold cherry. Not so yummy.
Okay.
Well, especially when you're drinking it. And then I got 3 of s'mores, which I think is probably my favorite.
Yep.
It's got little tiny marshmallows in
You
it.
gotta like it.
They bounce around, and I do like it.
Yep.
Would you like to try one sometime?
No.
I didn't think so. Cold oatmeal doesn't sound yummy to you?
No. It doesn't.
I like it because I can throw it back and be done and get on with my workout. So there you go, folks. Oats Overnight. It's oatsovernight.com, but I will put a link in the description down below for Oats Overnight. And by the way, folks at Oats Overnight, if you want me to keep unboxing this, ask me. Send me some. Because other people want me to keep unboxing things, and I'm about to move on. Okay, so let's move on to Vitacost.com. Vitacost is where I get a lot of our more natural, healthier type grocery things. I can get a little bit of a discount often on it. I have a trick. If I don't have a coupon code they've sent me, I leave everything in the cart for a day or so. They send me a coupon via email. Make sure you're registered, and they offer me 10% off. So that's really nice, and I can find some things here that it's hard for me to find in the local stores. Normally, they send it in one big package, which is what happened in last month's unboxing. But this month, they sent me 3. So we've been waiting to do this video because we've been waiting on package number 3. So I have no idea what's in what package. I do need some things from in here.
Okay.
So we're gonna get into it.
Give me that knife.
You want the knife, or do you
Give me
want to
the
rip?
knife.
I think you can rip it with your hands. I really do.
No, I like the knife.
Oh, he wants the knife. You've been wanting to get your hands on that dull bread knife, haven't you? Ever since I came up with a brilliant idea to use it.
All right.
Oh, he doesn't like the way I use the knife. Reach on in. Let's see what you got.
Oh, all right. I like this. Free packing paper.
We have tons of packing paper in this house since I started this. Here is the invoice. I always check after the video's done to make sure everything came. How did I get 2 of those? I think I have 2. So this is apple cider vinegar. And these are tablets. And I talked about on the last one how I'd been using, don't unbox anymore.
Okay.
How I had been using apple cider vinegar tablets from another company. It was helping me with my cravings in the afternoon. So I ordered these to see if I could save some money. This works. But if you don't want to woo pucker when you bite into it, because it's actually apple cider vinegar, you just let it sit on your tongue. The brand of this, by the way, is Cal, K-A-L. Green apple flavor, very tart, one daily, and when I feel like I'm having a problem with cravings, I just put it on my tongue and I let it melt. No joke, it really helps.
You know what else apple cider vinegar can do?
What does it do?
It's a great rust remover.
Do you know this from your...
I do, I know
from
this.
being a...
It just works.
It works,
Trust
okay. He does lots
But not
of
in
things.
tablet form.
You could maybe...
I tried that. I tried to rub the tablet on the rust. It didn't
Yes,
work.
is that where that tablet went?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so anyway, I don't know how I got 2. Apparently, maybe I had to order 2. But I've got it for eons because there is 60 chewables, so this will last me at least 120 days. And I'm still working on the one before. Okay, we'll put it there. Okay, grab another thing.
Okay.
This is my magnesium. People have asked what I take in the way of supplements. I take one 400 milligram magnesium every night. This is on the advice of one of my doctors because you know my injured shoulder thing?
Yes.
A lot of that's because I'm too tight because I have got, I have, what do I have in my neck? I have compressed discs in my neck and it makes me tighten up and the magnesium helps me relax and then I don't hurt myself when I lift weights.
Very true. Very true.
This is what I've been waiting for. This is English Breakfast Tea by Twinings. It's my favorite brand of English breakfast tea, and I'm out. And I know that I get, right now I'm doing Sips By. I have another company who is actually I think I may start doing a monthly subscription from them. They asked me to join their affiliate program. Yay! Okay. Sips By, if you have an affiliate program, speak up. But they don't have English breakfast that I know of. And this is my favorite. I like flavored teas, but that's my favorite, so I'm happy to have that back. Oh, this is my favorite eye cream. This is expensive. Plug your ears. This is $30 a container. It's a remarkable retinol eye cream by My Michelle. And My Shell. I have a tendency when I use eye creams, a lot of them will give me little white bumps under my eyes and I hate this. This one does not do that and it has retinol which helps with wrinkles. Yay! You want some? It helps with wrinkles.
Negative.
You don't have wrinkles. I'm the only one with wrinkles. Okay.
I need it. Well, I'll let you do it.
And they do wrap goopy things. They put them in. Oh, that's been upside down. So one trick I have with natural peanut butter is to store it upside down if I want to keep all of the oils. And that way when you turn it back up, you don't have to do so much stirring.
100% peanut.
This is for that boy down there. We put it in a Kong when we left. Although I'm happy to report he's been really good when we leave. Is that all in that box?
Yep, that's it.
Yay, that box. Okay, open the next box. We're going to be here all day if you use the knife. Just tear it with your hands. Now.
Yeah.
All right, here we go. Here we go. Let's see. And another invoice. And I'll look at that later. Make sure I got everything. And more paper. That's for you. That's a present for you.
Good vibes in every bar.
Yeah. You're going to vibrate.
Cashew chocolate chip.
Chia.
Yeah. It's like a chia pet, right? They grow like
right.
fur.
You put water on it and it grows little sprouts. Right.
Yeah, that sounds good.
Yeah,
that'd be good. Crunchy granola bars. How many calories does it have? 180.
180 per bar.
I was kind of trying to limit myself to 179 on the chocolate chip bars.
You're going to have to walk across the room a few times to burn off that calorie. So that I got that for you. So it'd be something for you in these unboxings.
All right.
I'm going to do this one. Last box. You ready?
Yes, I'm
the
ready.
suspense, is it killing you?
Nope.
We'll say
There
yes.
we
All right, what do we got in here? We have an invoice!
More paper?
Lots of invoice, more paper. We like paper. This is the first time I've had these sent from. It looks like they're shipping it. It is one item. What is the item?
It is retinol.
It's a
Neutrogena retinol.
Yes, this is. I'm a Neutrogena girl. It doesn't make me break out. And this is the regenerating cream, fragrance-free, rapid wrinkle repair. I like this. Will be my night cream. I've run out of my other one. That's why I'm close to being out of it. So that I apply to my skin every night after cleansing and using a micellar water, which I had in another.
I use it on my skin too.
He does not. Although I do have to ask, have you been eating any of my protein powder? You were talking about raising your protein limits.
That's a negative.
Oh, because I'm thinking maybe I should have ordered protein. I didn't order protein with this.
Well, we'll try that next time.
Yeah. So all of this stuff, by the way, they had sent me a thing in the mail for 12% off. This was $97, but for everything. But we're talking about there's a $30 eye cream, and I think this is like a $30 skin cream, and somehow I got 2 of those. So that's how that happened. But so these basics that I have a hard time finding in the stores are right here, and we're done. Vitacost and Oats Overnight. Thank you for joining me.
It's very exciting. This was fun.
This was fun. Not so exciting, but fun.
So
that's it. This is my last Vitacost and Oats Overnight. Thank you, everybody who watched. Appreciate it very much. We appreciate you and you supporting us by watching, by liking, by commenting. The comments are so fun. I read some to him. So when you say things to Sam about the editing or the bloopers, he inevitably puts at the end of it, this man is responsible. Some of them are embarrassing. Did you see the iMethod brow one, what he did on that at the end? Go watch that.
That's right. Don't tell them they have to go watch it.
They have to go watch it. So he usually finds something. He does all my editing. But anytime, I always tell him when somebody has something to say, and I think you like it.
Yes, I do.
Yes, he does. So, and we appreciate that. If you want notification of my unboxings, hit the little subscribe bell. And if you enjoy different types of unboxings, mostly fashion at this point, give us a subscribe. Do the thumbs up too, but yeah, subscribe. Please.
Okay, subscribe.
Please, por favor. We would appreciate it. All right. That's it. We'll talk to everybody later. Bye-bye and be blessed.
Bye-bye.
That's what we look at. Not
yeah,
that.
look at my goggle eyes.
The temptation. Yes, you do. You do. Okay, the temptation is to watch yourself. Don't watch yourself. You're gonna have to, if you don't if you don't want people to see that, you need to what are you doing? What in heaven's name? What is going on right now?
Goggle eyes. Okay, he's gotta go.